Pay-per-click. PPC, pay-per-click, is a popular digital advertising model where advertisers pay a fee each time a user clicks on their ads. Unlike traditional advertising, advertisers only pay for the traffic they receive, making it a budget-friendly option for businesses of all sizes. Here are the top 10 questions and answers about PPC. Right finger 1. What is PPC? PPC, pay-per-click, is a digital advertising model where advertisers pay a fee each time a user clicks on their ad. It is a popular way to drive targeted traffic to a website without incurring high advertising costs. Right finger 2. How does PPC work? Advertisers create ads, such as text, display, and video ads that appear on search engines or social media channels. They only pay when users click on their ads. The higher the bid, the more likely the ad will appear on top of the search results or social media feeds. Right finger 3. What are the benefits of PPC? One of the main benefits of PPC is that it is a cost-effective form of advertising. Advertisers only pay for the traffic they receive, making it a budget-friendly advertising option. Right finger 4. What are the popular PPC platforms? Google Ads is the most popular PPC platform, followed by Bing Ads, Facebook Ads, LinkedIn Ads, and Twitter Ads. Right finger 5. What are the different types of PPC ads? PPC ads come in different formats, including search ads, display ads, social media ads, and shopping ads. Right finger 6. How can I create a successful PPC campaign? To create a successful PPC campaign, you need to identify your target audience, create relevant ad copy, optimize your bid strategy, choose the right keywords, and track your results. Right finger 7. What is the average cost per click, CPC, for PPC ads? The average CPC for PPC ads depends on several factors, including your industry, competition, and location. The more competitive your industry, the higher the CPC will be. Right finger 8. What is quality score? Quality score is a metric used by Google Ads to measure the relevance and quality of your ads and keywords. It considers factors such as click-through rate, ad relevance, and landing page experience. Right finger 9. How can I optimize my PPC campaigns? To optimize your PPC campaigns, you need to continually test and analyze your ads and keywords, adjust your bid strategy, and implement ad extensions. Right finger 10. What are the best practices for PPC advertising? Some of the best practices for PPC advertising include creating compelling ad copy, targeting the right audience, using negative keywords, optimizing landing pages, and monitoring your results. In conclusion, PPC is a cost-effective and trackable form of advertising that benefits businesses of all sizes. With the right strategies and platforms, advertisers can drive targeted traffic to their website and generate leads and conversions. We hope these top 10 questions and answers have helped you understand the basics of PPC advertising. Thanks for watching.